Everyone expected the S23 Ultra to be comparable to the S22 Ultra, but the 200 megapixel sensor and new processor surprised everyone wrong. Last year, one of the biggest concerns for most users was the battery capacity and the processor. This year, the same thing is going to be giving you Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor worldwide, which is obviously going to be an absolutely fantastic decision by them, because it provides one of the best processing power to the device. The battery life of the S23 Ultra was subpar last year, but Samsung listened to its customers and improved it. Although it has the same battery capacity, owing to the upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and cooling technology, we'll receive 11 hours of battery life, as tested by YouTuber Tech Rider, who claimed that the S23 battery drain has lost approximately 11 hours, which is incredible, and it'll be only a few minutes less than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is still the current champion of battery capacity. Although there will be a few minutes difference due to software optimization, we may see the S23 Ultra surpass the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the near future, which is fantastic news for Android enthusiasts. Now, how did this happen? Basically, we are receiving a new processor that will be 45% more power efficient, as well as a new cooling system that will be even greater in size, and the new technology will be introduced in there, which caused the battery upgrade. Everyone was surprised by Samsung's new 200 megapixel camera sensor. Everyone thought it would be a gimmick, but it is absolutely a beast of a camera, with better detail and performance. For example, if you look at these camera images, you will notice a significant improvement in quality and sharpness, and color accuracy will be excellent. The night photography, in particular, has been much enhanced, which is great news. On top of that, we are getting a true 8K video recording, which is simply incredible, and it will finally compete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Samsung has not yet made any changes to the zoom hardware, but the battery shopper and quality have increased when compared to the S22 Ultra from last year. This is an absolutely astounding all owing to the new ISP that is arriving with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and although it may appear like the same design as last year, there are undoubtedly many improvements coming for the S23 series, and it is proving everyone wrong. Finally, what are your feelings about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.